Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Chippa 0. I'm joined by friend my brother Kamabanu Puma.
Mina lo nosandile wakamhlanga ngisuka eSwatini.
Uthini?
Ngiyakhala brutal. I'm so much disappointed. Ngegame namhlanje. But ke shout out to umfundo Vilakazi uObrigado noMayo bangenile igame at least by. Bayivusa kancane but anyways I let roll. I'm so much disappointed.
You are disappointed?
I'm so much disappointed.
Disappointed kubani?
uMikweli no Silva no Matlo bese Katela on our coach technical team.
Yeah.
They were supposed to keep Ulo Silva no Matlo.
Yeah. No Matlo.
Bakeep Umabo. They were not supposed to keep Umabo but fanele bakeep Ulo.
George Matlo
Because there's a cartel, my friend. There's a cartel, my friend. We should have snatched this one.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Yeah. Scan and QR code winner 25 rand.